Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel today. I'm out here testing my new Skydio 2 drone. I'm going to run it through this area here, what we're looking at now. And it's a fairly deserted road. I'm right out in the guts of Australia, so there's nobody here apart from me. And the really nice scenery when you look around. Maybe a few brown snakes if you're not careful, but apart from that, that's about it. So it's really good country to go right around here to zoom around on. There's a bike over there. So what I'm planning on doing, I'm going to whip the Skydio up. I'm going to use the controller or the beacon. I'm going to have it attached to the handlebars, and I'm going to try it for the first time of selecting different angles as I ride along. So that's the plan. And this is a bike. You can see I've been on a lot of dirt road because look at these wheels. I've put up quite a few Ks today, but the purpose was I've never been on this particular road. And I think it'd be a good one to go in, take this drone for a bit of a burst. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, the bike looks good out here in the scrub. Nice overcast day. So if you look at it that way, everything looks good there. I'll put this drone up in the air and I'll let it track me going down this road. Hopefully there's no one on it, because I've never tried tracking with it on different angles with the controller. I've only just been doing point and shoot. So this is something different today, so we'll get into it. I'll tell you what's good country out here. I'll have to come out here one day and follow this road to the end and just see where it goes. So that'll be interesting. So anyway, I'll swing back into the drone footage, see if I can give you an idea how well these drones fly. They're supposed to really fly extremely well. They're supposed to be the best follow me drone in the world you can buy at the moment. So we'll soon see. We'll see how it fires off. We'll catch up with you later. If you enjoyed the clip, anyway, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, there's going to be a lot of content coming up on this, and this bike going out on what I call roadside rest rides. We'll be riding along and I'll pull up places similar to this, not exactly this heat, but similar to a place like this, and decide this would be a good place to cook a bit of a meal as we continue on our travels. So if you keep that in mind, let's go.